Welcome back. In today's video, we will learn how to use Lightning Web Component in Visualforce page or how to embed or display a Lightning Web Component in a Visualforce page. As you can see on screen, I have already created a Lightning Web Component. The name of the LWC component is LWC for VF, and here you can see we have used a Lightning card. And now let's go back and learn how to use Lightning Web Component in Visualforce page. So in order to do that, first of all we have to create an Aura application. So I will go to my developer console, and as you can see I have created an Aura application and the syntax is blank as of now. So first of all we have to set the extends attribute to Lightning out app. So Lightning out app. After that you have to use the Aura dependency tag, Aura dependency tag, and here we will set the resource to the name of the Lightning Web Component. So C is the namespace, the default namespace. After that the name of the Lightning Web Component. So this is it. Now we have done with giving the information about the Lightning Web Component to the Aura component or application. Let me save it. Now we will go to our Visualforce page, and here we will write the code to embed the LWC component in the Visualforce page. So first of all we have to use the apex include lightning tag. Now let's create a div where we want to embed the Lightning Web Component. So I will create a div and I will give some ID to it. So let me give ID LWC, and let's close the div. Now let's open the script tag, and here we will write JavaScript method to embed LWC in Visualforce page. So let me also close this script tag. Now what we will do is we will use lightning use method. So lightning dot use, and here first of all we will pass the name of the application. So we have named the application as embed LWC app, and the second parameter is a callback function. So the second parameter is a callback function, and inside this callback function what we will do, we will use lightning create component method. So lightning dot create component method, and this method has four parameters. The first parameter is the name of the LWC component. Second parameter is the JSON, like if you want to set some properties of the LWC component from the Visualforce page, then you can pass the JSON. Third one is the ID where you want to place this LWC component, and the fourth one is the callback method if you want to log something into the console. So let's first of all pass the, let me just close it, and here first of all we will pass the name of the LWC component. So the namespace is C, then LWC for VF. The second attribute is the JSON, which will be used to set the properties of LWC. Currently we don't want to do it, so we will pass it as blank. The third attribute is the ID. So this ID we will pass as third attribute. So let me pass it. And the fourth attribute is the callback method. So function emp, and here console.log, and let me write something, LWC is loaded. Let me close it, and we need to close this callback function as well, and I think I can now save it. Let's try to save the code. Once it is saved, let's click on preview. I hope now we will be able to see the LWC component in the Visualforce page. So syntax error. Let me see what is the error here. LWC for VF. Then we have passed this. Then LWC function CMP. This is closed here. This is closed here, and this is closed here. I think I have missed one bracket. This is for this one. This is for this one, and the last one we missed. Let's save it again and let's preview it. And as you can see, lightning out tab error while loading the app. Let's see what's the error. Okay. Aura application extends lightning out app, and then Aura dependency resource C LWC for VF. It is correct. Let's go here and see the code of the Visualforce page. Here what we have done, we have used Apex include lightning, then we have created the div, then we have used the script tag lightning.use embed LWC app function lightning create component, and then we have passed LWC for VF. Then the second parameter is blank, third one is LWC, fourth one is function CMP, log is loaded, and we have closed the script tag. Let's review it again. Let me think what could be the error. Embed LWCF. Script tag is okay. Here you see the spelling of lightning. This was wrong. I think now we will be able to preview the. As you can see on the screen, now we are able to preview the page. I have misspelled lightning here. That is why we are not able to see the LWC component into the Visualforce page. So let me recap what we did. First of all, in order to show, display or use lightning web component into a Visualforce page, you have to create the Aura application, and there you have to set the extend attribute to lightning out tab, and then use the Aura dependency tag. Here we will set the resource as the name of the LWC component. After that we will go to the Visualforce page, and there first of all we will include the Apex include lightning tag. After that we will create a div where we want to embed the LWC component. After that, in the script tag, what we will do is we will use the lightning use, and here we will pass the name of the application, and in the callback function we will use the method lightning create component. Make sure you don't misspell lightning. And after that there are four parameters. The first parameter is the name of the LWC component. Second parameter is the JSON, which will be used to set the properties of the LWC. The third parameter is the ID where you want to embed the LWC component, and the fourth parameter is just a callback function. So that's it in this video. Please like the video, share with your friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Thank you very much.